My name is Jake Drew. I'm one of the joint replacement surgeons here at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center. My area of expertise is treatment of hip and knee pain. I'm board certified and fellowship trained in that area. And so most of the surgical work that I do involves total hip and total knee replacements. Some of the special areas that I focus on and offer are direct anterior total hip replacement and partial knee replacement. And both of these allow me to offer high performance joint replacement to younger patients who wish to remain highly active. So I think the nice part about treating people with hip and knee pain is that everybody shows up to the office very motivated to get better. And so I think that's a very important part when we establish that partnership, is that we're all on the same page trying to achieve the same goals, and that's relief of pain and restoration of function and mobility. I think patients who are engaged in a positive attitude certainly benefit. And one of my philosophies in treatment is that, I tend never to jump right towards surgery. We want to take treatment in an orderly fashion and try to achieve our goals in the least invasive ways that we can. And I think patients really respond to that philosophy well. Nobody wants to jump right to surgery if there's an easier way to achieve the same goals of pain relief and restoration of function. And I think what sets BIDMC apart from other hospitals with similar highly qualified staff is the environment and the atmosphere that we foster here, where the patient experience is really first and foremost. And I think that patient care experience, where we strive to treat every patient who walks through the door as a VIP, is really unique to Beth Israel and makes it a very amazing place to work.